The CDC says more than 20% of all Americans experience chronic pain.
Chronic pain conditions typically are something that we have to manage greater than 3 months or even a lifetime.
Sharon Krispinsky helps run Lee Health's chronic pain self-management program.
We meet once a week for 6 weeks, and we teach you a variety of tools to manage chronic pain.
She says mindset can have an impact on your physical health.
What research has shown is the more negative you are, the more disabled you become. So we teach how to change that negativity into a more positive outlook.
Those with chronic pain are often dealing with anxiety and depression. In the workshop, they teach tools to help manage those difficult emotions.
What we find in this workshop is when you use a distraction, not only are your pain symptoms less intense, but you can tolerate that pain for a longer duration period of time.
They also speak to the importance of a healthy diet, exercise, mindfulness, and breathing techniques.
By the end of the 6 weeks, we have participants that are going out to lunch with friends. They realized that they were their own worst enemy, that they felt because they were in pain, they couldn't do anything or enjoy the activities of daily living. So we teach all these tools so that they can engage in life again.
More than 60% of participants report decreased pain afterwards. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.